we are making welcome board. We need a cardboard and stick the white paper. Not only white paper, you can stick any color paper, blue color. You can stick anything. We stick white because we need.
So start.
So let's start it. Wait and draw a circle. And now
we are taking peach color.
We are taking peach color. Where is it? This is a peach. That is pink color.
This is peach color.
Peach color we are taking. It is so nice color. Wait guys, we are bringing tissues. It coming blue guys. Okay, let's start. Oopsie daisy. See guys, the brush is in blue color guys. So guys, let's start. When we are done the painting, we will on the camera. Wait for 3 minutes, guys. So guys, it get dried up and draw a little circle, a small circle inside like
We are
this.
going to draw this
pattern, this design. Because we love that design, we need to take brown and a brush. Brown color and brush because we need to do it like this. Not now guys, we are drawing this
after
pattern.
drawing see you later.
So we need to paint a brown color in this circle.
Don't touch this, okay?
Okay. Lightly guys. Can you see?
Yes.
Like this guys, we need to draw. What we need to do now, Dimple?
Just wait and see.
Okay guys, when we are finished, we will on the camera. Please wait for 1 minute. So guys, we did it like this guys. We made it like something. And now we need to draw a flower. Come on, let's draw.
Manu, where is blue color?
Where is blue, 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 blue?
I told you some colors not there.
this is part 2. We draw like this. We draw these flowers and we draw these wave lines. Now it's time to draw the leaves like this. See, I changed my border. Like this, you need to draw. Can you see, guys? It will get the leaf texture. So cute, right? This leaf. When I finish drawing leaves, I will on the beach. So I draw the leaves, guys. I try for drawing welcome to our apartment because we want to hang it to our apartment. But I don't know how to write cursive writing. I already write it. I try my best. It came nice, but I didn't like that, so I paint it and I will draw it again. First, let's practice, guys. First, well, V, E, F. Guys, it is not coming right, guys. And I am telling that now only because I want to tell it now. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe this video, guys. Please, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can leave share, but you need to do like and subscribe, guys. Please. Okay. When it get dried, I just do it now only, just paint it now only, like this. This is our house. I just do it now. So let's wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Just wait for 1 minute. When it get dried, I will turn on the video. Wait for that time, guys. Did you like it, guys? So okay, bye, guys. No, bye. Wait. So, guys, the final look is this one. And we need to cut this cardboard out. This is the final output. I didn't write apartment spelling correct, but I already taped it. It's okay. Okay, bye, guys. Wish you all bye.